Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Fall 2019 Fab Fit Fun box. So Fab Fit Fun is a quarterly subscription box. It's $49.99 every quarter, or you can do yearly subscriptions and then you get more customization options. If you do the quarterly, you get about, I think, 3 options to customize. If you do the yearly, you get all of their options that they give to customize. So I think it's like 5 or 6. So yeah, we'll unbox and make sure you are subscribed to my channel and click the bell right down below so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. So this month, I got quite a few add-ons. So the box is huge. So let's get into it. Oh. See if we can open it. So with Fab Fit Fun, they open up what's called add-ons. So you can just add a few things on that are in their like little shopping add-on area. And it's usually way cheaper than buying those same products at retail. But then you also, with your customization, can, if you like more than one of the customization options, you can add that on as well. So I did that for a few things. So let's get into the first of the add-ons. It's called Kiko. I think this is the purse. Oh, it's really cute. So it's a purse. So it can be like this, or it has a nice chain, so it can be like a purse that hangs over your shoulder. It's got this nice little part right here for like a phone or something, and then this zip in here. So this was definitely an add-on that I added on because I thought the purse was really cute and perfect for fall, winter time coming up. So it looks like that, and you can have it as a clutch or regular purse because these unhook right here, as you can see. So I'm excited for this. And it smells like real leather, so I think it's real leather. And on this, it's got this nice thing, so it can actually fit over your shoulder like this, and it's perfect. I love over the shoulder purses. They just work out so well. So that is a nice one. So I think the next few items are from the customization where I liked more than one of the items. So this is a wallet cut from the cloth. So this actually will look really cute with that purse. I can open it. So it looks like this. It's a nice stripe. Like, these will go together so well. I can put this in here, or you can just carry this around. It's a good size little wallet. It's got all this in it, so that will be nice. Next up, ooh, this is so soft. This was another customization where I liked more than one of the items, clearly. And this is a sweater from Plush. It's so soft. Oh, it's so soft. It's like huge. Holy cow. It's almost like a blanket. It just keeps going and going, but it definitely, it's like a shawl type. This will be nice for the winter, and especially like on an airplane or something traveling. You can have it, and then it's like a blanket, or you have it as your scarf. So that is very nice. Okay, now we will open up the actual box and see all the stuff that we have in here. So some of it's customization, some comes in every box, and we'll just get right in and open it. Oh Lord. So every Fab Fit Fun box comes with a magazine, and they have a cover model. So this one is Megan Trainor. That's the cover model for this quarter. And then we also got coupon for Hello Fresh right here, and Fab Fit Fun to give to friends. So I also will put in the description box a link that you can get $10 off if your first Fab Fit Fun box. Holy cow, lots of stuff. Ooh, I'm so excited. So the first item is a dual grinder for salt and pepper. I love to cook, so this is perfect. And that was a customization option. Next up is Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. So that'll be nice to use. I think these are like in every box, I want to say. So we'll see. This next is Human Kind Body Souffle. So it looks like a lotion. It's got a little plastic on it, so I'm pretty sure this is in every box. So just a skin moisturizer. So might be nice. Next up is the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask that look like this. So nice little eye masks. They have this shape under them, and there's gold. Next up, oh, these are so pretty. So these are from Bobble Bar. They're ear crawlers, so come out of the package so you can really see them. But you just put them on your ear and they just like crawl up your ear. They're just earrings. So this is what they look like, and I did, when I was doing my customization, looked up, and these are made for sensitive skin ears. So like, I definitely have sensitive ears, so they'll be fine. Next up is the Juice Cleanse Exfoliating Sugar Scrub from Harper and Ari. Just these little sugar cubes that I'm guessing you take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin. So it's just a sugar scrub, but in a nice little compact thing instead of having to dig out all the sugar. I love sugar scrubs. They just make your skin so smooth. Next up is from Twine Living Company. It's the Gourmet Wood and Ceramic Cheese Board gift set. So it's a cheese board, and then you got a little plate for all your stuff. So good for like charcuterie boards or anything. I'm excited for this. And last but not least is the Amika hair straightener. So this was a customization item. I didn't want it, but my sister-in-law did, so it was actually cheaper for me just to add it on, because it was like $15 extra to add it on instead of, I think it's like $80 regularly for the hair straightener. So just looks like this. Nice little hair straightener. So she'll have a nice hair straightener now, because I already have my nice one, so that's what she got. I think I got the scarf instead, was what I wanted. So that is everything in the FabFitFun fall box. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel and check out my Instagram. It's m.hartman5. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye.